Good day, M4712. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am. I'm Mary Jane Makatugal, 34 years old, and happy married. And I have five children, and the ages of my children is 16, 14, 10, 5, and 3.
Okay, and your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate, sir.
Okay, Miss Mary G. I saw that you have experience here in the Philippines. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper?
My general duty is cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, and wash the dishes.
Okay, and I saw that you take care of 1-year-old baby, right? How do
Yes.
you prepare the milk of this 1-year-old baby?
I wash my hand first, and I wash the bottle, and I sterilize, and I put distilled water and milk, and
And after you put a right amount of milk and water,
I shake it very well before I give it to the baby.
okay, if the baby is crying, what would you do?
I change the diaper and I see the temperature.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give all the needs of my children and I keep money for the future.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finish my contract and if my employer want me to stay, and
You will stay with them if the
yes,
employer wants you to stay. Okay.
yes.
Do you know how to prepare Chinese food?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
If I have a time, I watch in the YouTube and I buy book, cookbook.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer prepared for you.
Yes sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes sir.
I saw that you have long hair. It is okay to you to cut it into short.
Yes sir.
Okay, if the employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay to you to work on Sunday in a holiday setup.
It's okay sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of an elderly, help them go to bed, help them go to the bathroom, help them go to shower, and also help them go to the hospital for checkups.
Yes sir.
Okay, last question. Message or what will be the message for your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me, I will promise you that I do my best and I take care of your family. And I love your family as my own family, and I love your children as my own children. And I will promise you that I do my best and
Oh,
uh,
okay, can you promise that you will follow their rules and regulations in
yes,
there?
sir, I promise.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss M4712.